today we have taken off the wheels, stripping down some stuff so we can get this frame all nice and pretty. A couple stops today at O'Reilly's, TSC, and Harbor Freight. So here we go. Here goes the fun stuff. This stuff is gnarly.
God dang, this is like concrete.
I know.
Wow, look at that. It's chipped out a whole chunk of old grease.
Wow. This is gonna be all nice and clean and painted and pretty when we're done with it, right?
That's the goal.
It's so icky. It is so icky.
Looks like they greased the whole front end a bazillion times and then took it forward.
Yeah, this. Knock it down first so when we grind on it with the flap wheel and the wire wheel, the hubby says it won't gum it up. Crap we knocked off there. Steering box now.
A little better.
Yeah. Goes down to safe. Found a rear end under all that nastiness. Will get blown off and wire wheeled as well. The whole thing will be rust free. Good news is there's no bad rust, it's all surface rust. So that's a good day. Give it a help. gunk, but now it's time to get busy. As you can see, this is a very dirty job.
Very.
We are pretty darn filthy, huh? Call micro, yeah, because it is a dirty job. But we are definitely getting there. Frame looks so much better. Super de-rusted. Not done, of course. Lower control arm is wire whizzed and all sides. Still gotta do the interior bars. The rear end is defunct for the most part. So now we gotta do that side. And all of the bars and underneath the frame. Fun. All right. Got the...
Here and down there.
Okay. Got most of the frame scraped off, wire wheeled, cleaned up, de-rusted, degreased. Rear end is degreased. Frame. Did the old Harbor Freight rebuild on the brake drums. Getting ready to get the last little bit down in there. And we'll blow her off. Prime it and paint it. Good job today. He's tired. We both are covered in head to toe in rust and grease and ick. Alright, we're starting to prime the frame. So, he's working on the other side. It's gonna look really nice when it's done. John in the house. Gotta make her pretty. Fucking $9.99. Basically prime. Like a whole new frame. Crazy what a little bit of paint and a lot of time will do. Michael and his potty mouth. So much better. That rear end. It's so dirty. You guys smiled like it was a picture. Lots and lots and lots of work today. It looks great. Super happy. Looks really nice. washer. Yep. Ours is so thick. Oh, it's much nicer.
Oh, yeah.
About midnight. Just about painted. A very long day. Just about to finish up though. Still painting. Brand new. There you got new brakes and suspension on it. All right, frame is painted. It's been drying for about 12 hours now. We were up till about 4 a.m. last night getting this thing all buttoned up. But man, look how nice this stuff looks. I mean, everything turned out so wonderful, so clean. Love how it looks. Got rid of all the rust. The frame was 100% solid. Like there wasn't even any pitting or anything. Super happy about that. Yeah, they're still here, but they're gonna go bye-bye. The next step will be some exhaust, run some brake lines, run some fuel lines, anything that'll need to be done under the truck will get done before the bed and the cab go back on it to make it easier. So, super happy with how everything turned out. Look at that rear end. That just turned out so nice. So, super happy with it. Glad it's done. Man, yesterday was a long day. Started about 9:30 in the morning, and like I said, didn't go to bed until 4 a.m. Bet our neighbors love us. But stay tuned. We will have an update soon.